YouTubers, this is Vandergax once again to show you what strategies to follow to become a successful YouTuber. I had a very long thought process and found out 10 most important strategies which I'm sharing with you, which you can follow and make sure you become a great YouTuber. Be patient. YouTube is not a quick money earning program. It requires a lot of patience, a lot of time, a lot of hard work to put in. Do not expect a large income right when you start YouTubing. If you use YouTube for your living, make sure you have enough financial support in the initial stages. Be creative and unique. The content really matters how good you will forward in creating your fans. So think creative, do stuff which are never done before, excite your audience with unique and iconic ideas. Your content should be any of the shown category. It can be entertaining, educative, informative, sports, or any services with social values, or all together in one single video. Be constant in uploading your videos. Don't get them shattered. Don't upload your videos after ages. Don't make your fans to wait for months for your exciting videos. Don't hurt your fans' trust on your constant uploads. It is similar to any magazine or TV show which you eagerly wait and end up not showing up, and it's so disappointing. Also, upload multiple contents rather than single videos and wait to increase its views. This helps you to improve your views count for multiple videos at the same time. Make some friends in YouTube. Talk to the persons on YouTube that you know personally or make some new friends. Communicate with them and connect with their friends also to get your community wider and expanded. Subscribe their channels and request them to subscribe yours. This is the best way you increase the number of your subscribers. Also, talk to the professionals and YouTube successors, comment and request for ideas and email them personally to make your request strong. Be yourself. Do what you feel and be who you are. Combine yours and audience interest to make your videos live. Show the people who you are, what you do, and what you love to do. Define your content with high quality. It should have good values which strikes and pulls the audience to watch it. If you upload some contents with zero values and quality, your viewers may not be interested to watch it, and you may even lose your subscribers. A good presentation excites the audience to watch your video. Get your videos organized, put some graphics and music to it. Have an outstanding emblem or title which shows yours and your content's identity. Inspire people with some awesome content or the way you created or presented it, or get inspired from other people who are really awesome in and out of YouTube. Start right now, right away. Do not push your schedules to the next second. Do it right now. Start preparing the content, get things done, and upload the video right away. Hope you found this video interesting. If so, like and subscribe my channel.